friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me, you decide. Today let's see what's happening in my mommy's kitchen. Hey, Papa inside mommy's kitchen? Come, let's see what's Papa doing. Papa, what are you doing?
I'm going to cook bone marrow soup.
Oh, okay. For bone marrow soup, of course we need bone marrows. Coriander leaf, onion, garlic paste, tomato and ginger slices. All the spices need for bone marrow soup. What about the powders, Pa?
We need a coriander powder and garam masala.
And garam masala. Okay, Papa. Make sure you cook nicely. Okay, I'll catch you soon. Okay, friends. Let my Papa cook. Wow, Papa, this smells so good. I just can't wait to eat. Hi friends, I'm enjoying my bone marrow. Catch you later in next video. Make sure you don't forget to like, share and subscribe and bell button. Click the bell button.